Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Fellow content creators, Instagram offers a plethora of options to showcase your creativity, from single posts to carousels, stories, and reels. Today, we are diving deep into Instagram Reels to uncover what they are all about and how you, as a content creator, can leverage them to reach new audiences and boost engagement. So, let's get started. So what is exactly are Instagram Reels from a content creator perspective? Instagram Reels are short, engaging videos ranging from 15 seconds to 1 minute. You can film, cut, and edit them with various audio, graphical, and effect-based add-ons. All right inside the app, Reels are Instagram's core focus, and here is why they matter to you. Instagram's algorithm predicts what users want to watch next, making Reels a constant stream of content that keeps users engaged. Unlike regular posts, Reels keep playing automatically, increasing the likelihood of your content reaching new audiences. This is called discovery content. You don't need users to follow you specifically to be discovered by Instagram's massive 1.3 billion user base. If you run an e-commerce business, you will love this. You can tag your products in Reels, allowing viewers to shop directly within the Instagram app. That means they can purchase your products with a simple tap. Even if you are not selling products yet, Reels editing options will help you create captivating videos that Instagram loves to promote. To make your Instagram Reels go viral, you need to keep a few principles in mind. Begin your video with a hook that grabs viewers' attention. It could be a bold statement, a dramatic moment, or a thought-provoking question. Keep your reels dynamic with the fast-paced edits to maintain novelty and excitement. The human brain craves stories. Use storytelling to package information with emotion and reveal details bit by bit to keep viewers engaged. Consider what job your videos does for the audience. Are they learning something, getting entertained, or feeling inspired? Make sure you provide value. Don't blindly follow trends. Instead, add your unique twist. Authenticity shines through in Reels. Now, let us dive into the fun part, creating an Instagram Reel. I will demonstrate by sharing 3 productivity tips for entrepreneurs. Here's how to create a reel using the powerful creative tools Instagram offers. Layout tool. Choose your layout. I will pick a top and bottom split for this demo. Edit your reel. Add a soundtrack, sound effects, text, graphics, filters, and effects. And here's the final product. 3 productivity hacks for entrepreneurs. Instagram Reels offer an exciting playground for content creators. With all these creative tools at your disposal, you can engage your audience and grow your brand like never before. Still need ideas? Here are 3 types of content to start experimenting with. How-to videos showcase how something works, whether it is your product or an idea you are passionate about. Inspirational clips. Share ideas or results to inspire your viewers. Behind the scenes or teaser videos. Build a human connection by showing the real you, your daily life, or exciting sneak peeks. To succeed on Instagram, remember this. Give your target audience what they want and create the content format Instagram is actively promoting. Reels. Focus on educational, entertaining, or better yet, both types of content. With dedication and creativity, you can grow your following, influence, and sales. In our upcoming video, I will demonstrate the process of establishing Instagram shopping for your e-commerce venture. If you'd like to stay informed, kindly consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly share content related to e-commerce and digital marketing. So, if you're interested in seeing more of such videos, subscribing would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this video helps you out and see you in our next video.